Hello, and thanks for visiting Discount Low Voltage. What we're looking at is an LMR-600 cable. This is the outdoor version. Okay. And the applications for this cable, a lot of Wi-Fi type stuff. The WLAN, GPS, LMR, VLAN, WISP, WiMax, SCADA, mobile antennas, pretty much anything requiring an easily routed low loss RF cable. So you have the jacket, the PE. This is the pretty much an outside plant. It is an outside plant cable. The life expectancy of this cable outdoors is probably a couple decades. You have your braided shield right there. You got your foil shield underneath, and then you got your conductor. Okay, so this is sold per foot, and if you need a more of a detailed spec sheet, visit discountlowvoltage.com. Thanks.